Have you ever imagined a phone that can completely transform in your hands, a device that folds not once, but twice? Today we are talking about the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold 2026, one of the most futuristic smartphones ever made. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest tech updates. Now let's start. First, let's talk about the design of the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. The design is completely different from normal smartphones. This device folds 2 times, which means it has 3 connected panels. When it is fully folded, it looks like a regular smartphone that fits in your pocket. But when you unfold it completely, it becomes a large tablet-sized device. Samsung built it with 2 strong hinges that allow smooth folding and better durability. It feels premium, solid, and futuristic in your hands. This is not just a phone, it's engineering innovation. When fully opened, you get a massive 10-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant. The brightness is powerful. Everything feels smooth and alive. When folded, the outer display is around 6.5 inches, also AMOLED, and also 120 Hz. Watching movies, gaming, or multitasking on the screen feels immersive and exciting. It truly feels like carrying a tablet in your pocket. Inside this device is the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform, a flagship level processor. It comes with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and storage options up to 1 terabyte. That means fast speed, smooth multitasking, and powerful gaming performance. Whether you're editing videos, playing heavy games, or running multiple apps at the same time, the phone stays fast and responsive. This device is built for power users. The main camera is an impressive 200 megapixels. This allows you to capture highly detailed and sharp photos. You also get a 12MP ultra-wide camera and a 10MP telephoto lens. For selfies and video calls, there are dual 10MP front cameras. Photos look professional. Videos look cinematic. And even in low light, results are strong. Samsung did not compromise on camera quality. This device includes a large 5,600 milliamp hours battery. It supports 45W fast charging and wireless charging. Despite having a big screen, it is designed to last all day with normal use. You don't need to constantly worry about charging. Samsung officially announced this device in late 2025. It was showcased at CES 2026, where it attracted massive attention from tech experts and media. The global release started in early 2026, and due to high demand, it quickly sold out in some markets. This shows how excited people are about this new trifold technology. Finally, let's talk about why the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold matters. This device changes how we think about smartphones. It combines the portability of a phone, the productivity of tablet, and the power of a flagship device. It represents the next step in smartphone evolution. It is bold, it is different, and it gives us a glimpse of the future. So what do you think about the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold? Would you use a trifold smartphone like this? Or do you prefer traditional designs? Tell me in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful and detailed tech content.